is Takuto, and today I'm going to talk about the brain. Hope you enjoy. When you are listening to this video, you definitely don't know that something only you and your body is connected to maniacally functioning. This is something at the top of the smart chain. This natural intelligence helps you understand what you are doing while understanding chemicals from your body and solving endless solutions. You guessed it, the brain. The encephalon brain is the last and grandest biological frontier, which contains hundreds of billions of cells interlinked with trillions of connections. Even scientists are completely dazed. What do you think you know? This is just the basics. I'm not waiting for you. Dive in. Stay till the end if you want to hear the credits and notes I have. Humans are most well known for the extraordinary of their brain. The human brain outclasses their other animals' brains in almost every part of it. On average, the size of primates' brains are nearly double what is expected for mammals of the same body size. But determining brain changes over time is seldomly succeeded. It has grown for around 2 million years. We have no ancient brains to weigh on a scale. We can, on the other hand, measure the interior of prehistoric skulls, and a few rare fossils have preserved natural casts on the interior of craniums. Both approaches to looking at ancient skulls give us evidence about the volumes of ancient human thinking material and some information about the relative sizes of major cerebral areas. For the first 2/3 of humans' creative and articulate history, human brains were definitely formed within the age of nowadays apes. The species of the famous Lucy fossil, Australopithecus afarensis, had skulls with internal volumes of between 400 and 550 milliliters, whereas chimpanzee skulls had hold around 400 milliliters and gorillas between 500 and 700 ml. During this generation, Australopithecine brains started to show subtle changes in structure, function, and shape compared to apes. For instance, the neocortex, which is involved in higher functions such as the sensory perception, generation of motor commands, spatial reasoning, conscious thought, and in humans, language, which is located and known as a part of the cerebral cortex, had begun to expand, reorganizing its own functions away from visual processing toward other regions and complexity of the encephalon. The final third of our evolution visualized nearly all the action in brain size. Homo habilis, the first of our genus Homo, saw a modest hop in brain size, including an expansion of a language-connected part of the frontal lobe called Broca's area. The first fossil skulls of Homo erectus 1.8 million years ago had brains averaging a bit larger than 600 ml. From here, the species embarked on a slow upward march, reaching more than 1,000 milliliters by 500,000 years ago. As our cultural and linguistic complexity, dietary needs, and technological prowess took a significant leap towards this stage, our brains grew to accommodate the changes. The changes we see accentuate the regions related to depths of planning, communication, problem solving, and other more advanced cognitive functions. With some evolutionary irony, the past 10,000 years of human existence actually shrank our brains. Limited nutrition in agricultural populations may have been an important driver of this trend. Industrial societies in the past 100 years, however, have seen brain size rebound as childhood nutrition increased and disease declined. Although the past does not predict future evolution, a great integration with technology and genetic engineering may catapult the human brain into the unknown. Thank you very much for watching this video, and check the description for my Google form link I made for you.